Kung Pao Chicken. Making this Chinese stir-fry is a breeze, and the blend of savory, sweet, and spicy flavors makes it truly irresistible. Ingredients for one person: 2 boneless, skinless chicken thighs, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of chili oil, 2 tablespoons of peanuts, 1/8 cup of chopped bell peppers, 1/8 cup of chopped celery, 1/4 cup of chopped onions, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of oil for frying. Step to preparation. Cut the chicken into thin strips, and lightly season with some of the salt. In a large bowl, combine the soy sauce, cornstarch, brown sugar, and chili oil. Stir well to combine. Heat a wok or large skillet over high heat with the oil. Add the chicken and stir fry until cooked through, about 2 minutes. Add the bell peppers, celery, onions, ginger, garlic, and the rest of the salt. Stir fry for 1 to 2 minutes. Pour in the soy sauce mixture, and stir fry for another 2 to 3 minutes. Add the peanuts and sesame oil, and stir fry for 1 minute until the sauce thickens. Serve hot.